Ani handa thank you council this single lay marang an chu thanda troma kyap ta tenji tenji sure tenji lundu lang an chu nyam to di cher thanda screen share chini nyama gi jinda khare lab ye me kala discuss revision share revision this ya
Darang chaslo.
la gela ge screen share chi ye
통기도
통고도 왜
okay.
ta troma kyap la kya che tu da ya ta punctuation la chinde odi nga zo khare inchi lo tu da ba ani khawala stop cho ye me khawala ya ki shu chim bo gan lo ye me khawala ani tiwa gan lo ye me tin de gan la ski cho re do you understand
Yes.
yeah so inchi na la first thing is punctuation the get shit because when you know the abcd right abcd lo na we try to write the sentence right the sentence say go to ra when there's no punctuation it's like there's no music to the song gala shesh thi na lyrics chik thi na tela music me wa da chik par you understood
Yes.
go to tang to shesh tang wa na if there's no music it will be boring right
Yes.
yes ani on the na shi punctuation de ke sing on to inchi ki chik na me wa na inchi de boring cha do gor ani punctuation chmin da punctuation kya ningi we
이게
punctuation de nga zo khachu la na sentence separate sentence the meaning de changma chin thonga chi do punctuation de level so inji nang ge punctuation thang she de khala na capital letter la na yigi che thia chi ya ta zo yigi che de khwa la thi ora la na mi gi ming da ani dawa la na months inji do ne months ha gu ya January February dawa thang bo dawa ni wa Okuya on the nashi names lana Tenzing, Drama, Mary, England, Swiss, Alex. They get mingda. Me ming khadu in first letter will be capital letter. Tawa ming khadu in first letter will be capital letter. Days of week dunda gajti first letter the capital letter. And in sentence khadu kozu in capital letter che and end the full stop yours. And after full stop, yeah, you have to start again. Yeah, capital letter tool. These are the rules of capital letter. What's this?
Yes.
Capital letter khwa lana mi ming dawa week lana tanjuk dara Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is the first letter. The capital letter tool. And in dawa thangbo dawa ni was January, February, March. The first letter the capital letter. And ye khatu kotu ne you have to start with capital letter and end with full stop. Understood? A sentence full stop let's how when you stop the full stop, right? Full stop gets how sentence again you have to start new sentence, right? So you have to start with capital letter. What's that? The drama cap light shit in that but it's all a revision data, okay? Yes. And the first period lana full stop law. Period lana full stop law. Period lana full stop. Yes, period lana full stop. Full stop lana is just a dot, a small dot that marks the end of sentence. La. Okay. Okay, that zinda kama shipchu shomada. You have to listen, okay?
Okay.
Tiwa yuna lakba kya che tiwa mena sama amcho nyerda. Period lana full stop lana is just a small dot but small dot tigi language khare function khare he will stop the sentence the zore lower when you put the full stop it says that sentence is over it's complete understood yes for example the dog sat on the grass lana kid isagan didu lagora didu lana stick to the zone. When the tick to is over, you have to put full stop. And the next letter there you have to start the capital letter. Can the voice off Seda? Hello.
Hello. Kila.
Hello.
like 나 진짜 뺐어 아마 진짜 뺐어 가지고 자기야 야구문도 깨려고 다리 공부 시키시다.
Ale los
Hello.
ke. Principal san ra.
라오 진짜 뺐어.
Los.
알았어. 좋잖아.
Los. Ah. Toma kya bla? Toma kya bla yuwe?
do shin kem message.
The next the correct exclamation mark. Exclamation mark the could you use chocolate when you are surprised. Kirange chowa hang san with chowa doshle or chera. When you become so loud, angry, chowa ya kong to sa yo chowa doda. Kiran ke chipu yadu damba chiya. She nanke yo dizola, you have to put exclamation mark. Ra.
Yes.
So in China, exclamation marks looks like this. Kante rochora, I couldn't look your rochua.
Yes.
Yes, exclamation mark used to show strong feelings like excitement or show something is being said loudly. Penachasna, stop, he yelled. You have got 2 flat tires. Ko hangsan le da kyo tsuku desh la ni ko yi la da. Utidam kechu chimbo la da, so you have to use the exclamation mark.
Yes.
Get off my lawn, la tudam ko lungsan la da. You have to put that exclamation mark. Oh, wow, help, no. Dige sangma la khada, you have to put exclamation mark. It shows emergency. It shows strong feelings. Oh, there's a strong feeling, right? Loud chida. Keshu chembush duwe.
Do.
If some definitions nothing to little like it, no do chewashash. I'll say, oh, ngahansara. If tenzil to gi yak la yapuchena, iksu yaputina, I will say, wow. Ngahansan, there's a excitement over there, right? Situm nala duwe.
Yes.
Oh, did you exclamation mark the page. And then a question mark. Question mark is used at the end of sentence when asking a question. You have to use question mark at the end of the sentence. Sentence you have to use that mark. The mark the you are asking some questions. If there is no question mark, then people will not give you answer. Understood?
Yes.
Question mark mena misu anje kyan ya because people are going through the marks. People so khala na misama ya marks. Hello.
Yes.
I can hear some noise. Tinsi can you lie in bed? Swim bed. For example, what time is it? How are you doing? Why did that happen? Leda.
Yes.
Tiwa gikubla inchi michi question mark the jawores.
The 4 W's.
What?
Can I line by the
Yes.
What?
Yes. Who, what, when, where, this samaya. Do you like na siktup give first sentence la you na? It's a question.
Yes.
Ra. Siktup kima lena, it's not a question. Question mare. Kesi sentence te what time is it? What ne kosugu you na? Then it's a question. If the sentences start with the how, that's a question. If the sentence is asked in why, then that's a question. But in the middle of the sentence, if they use how, when, where, then that's not a question. Sama question in bakyapku yomar. Ra. Okay, understood?
Yes.
And then the comma. Comma lana khalas ke lage.
To combine 2 sentences.
Comma? Okay, comma is a punctuation mark used within a sentence. Sentence kikima laya, pujichigides. Comma tells the reader kala wala where or when to pause. Kawala zamche ore kawala shawore laudes. It helps to make the meaning of sentence clear. Sentence ki tunda di changmachini laudes. Put a comma before or but when joining two complete sentences. Penasasana, I love boxing, my family, and my dog. Koma dikhare, if you have 2 or 3 things together, right? Your favorite chalam ni sum mangbo na. You have to write all of them, right? If you put I love boxing and my family and my dog, does that sentence beautiful? Comfortable to read? Dua. Loti kyu de? Are you all there?
Yes.
I love boxing.
민도.
Minda.
꼬마 가리 신기 참아.
Tinsi kenye la shingi duna khaa de nga ti toma kyabla chi dunya.
Oh.
Those who knows, then it's a revise for you. Those who don't know, it's a new thing for you. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Dine we learned about colon and semicolon. Colon the semicolon kana jang mara.
Hungry.
So the colon lana in the dosher dot ni up one another. Chi kana chi ki yo dosher dilla colon ler. The punctuation mark chire. The dot chi mara. O di kharchi kolana chala mangpo introduce che you know if you have so many things to introduce then you have to use that colon. For example, colon in front of him were the following mains, pies, holy, and other delicious delight. On this, for example, the following the deep kublang colon the use as semicolon de to make the gap between 2 sentences to make it shorter. Sentence ni gi paru gi pharta de chung ta chi do nga semicolon de pheji chores ra. Penachasana, let's go to the library to study. Colon, it's the only place where I can fully concentrate. Colon gets up colon sab longunes na so because li ra but because it's a too long words they are chimbo into the it will take space, right?
Yes.
What is space ra? So space but it's space the massage we use colon. Sentence the shortest we use colon. So let's go to the library to study. Colon is the only place where I can fully concentrate. You understood?
Yes.
Colon de when you have too many things to introduce here mangbo you have to use that colon ra. Semicolon de sentence chung taj. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Last class majo dirang janre.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me nyege assignment kharkus homework kharkus.
Months of the year.
Okay? Months of the year, yes. Anishamba?
Seasons.
Yes. Yes, we did worksheet also, right?
Oh yeah, I'm done with my work.
Good job. Re. Ani
Gina.
kisa sambula ya upelas khalemba.
Name and pronoun mikta.
Yes. Kisa sambula chuko ya upenyes. I told you to learn about noun and pronoun because this week I'm going to teach you about noun and pronoun. Go to say. Noun and pronoun punctuation. Dike sama English grammar, right? Grammar.
Yes.
If you understand the grammar, then English will be easy. Right? So like easy picture down to lelo chador. Good job, good job. Pego. Tinzi toga la pego jang. Tinzi somo la jang ye.
Gina.
Tinzi kenye la.
Nana chichip now lady you are. You mean now Jordan you tanda. Ding out chichip please.
Le kachimar. Ta in dangan zu tarin kare jang la na naung ga la jang da. Okay?
Lasse.
Okay. Can you see my PPT?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to learn about noun and pronoun. Okay, then so you did your assignment, right? Can you tell me something about what did you understand about noun and pronoun? Noun, the pronoun.
Word for that you use for a person, place, or thing.
Yeah. Okay. Shemba?
And a pronoun that a name of a particular person or place.
Okay. Shemba, mi Shemba did lie. Shemba di lie. Okay. So now lana khala lana is a person. And now lana nganzu pi to ne mingsi lera. Kinso pi
Yes.
ge pi mingsi lab ki do ge lage.
Love you do.
Mingsi now is a person, a place, animal or thing. Now lana khala na me. Ya mena chala, ya mena semchen, ya mena sacha. Diye sama noun dita. Noun lana everything is noun. Ta khari imba chala gi me ming semchen gi ming ming sik sama noun na chugor. You understood? So do you understood? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So if I say noun is a person, place, animal, or thing, do you think this cup is a noun? The cup that I'm holding is a noun?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, good job. I told you, right? Noun, Lana, it's a mingzi. Mingzi Lana, chala ngompochi yimba zamita. Mi nere, ngompo inere, semche inere, ani sacha chi inere. Tigela mingi kyo thamala, noun leres. Okay? So a noun is a person, place, animal, or thing, or idea. Okay.
Downside.
Thambo kyans noun lana tida. Themna la noun lana ti and timbe. And the first heading declines ti. All about nouns, and noun is a person, place, animal, or thing that is.
Yes.
You have to write. You have to write.
Okay.
Okay, tisambe.
Oh.
No,
Okay, next
someone.
sound. Now you have to column column. You know the column, right? Column nana thumbu silata. You have to first thumbu na you have to write person. Next na place. Next na animal. Next na thing la tish. Sama chiwe.
To you.
Drama kyab la gosese.
What's this?
Gisa sambula.
Gila.
Oh.
Person, place, and the jila correct.
A person, place.
Person to place chupuru.
Person, place, animal, or thing.
Okay.
You understood? Gosese. Oh, now lana mingchi. Mingchi lana migi ming, chalagi ming, semje ming, ani sache ming, ani mi khashe they give opinion and idea. This is sangma. Oh, this is sangma now na chigures.
Yes.
And penashasna person lana kandido. Man, me the penashasna put like it's a noun. And lana it's a name, right? Name of a person, right?
Yes.
Girl. Name re that's what I'm saying, right? Person nala khari ne suire pu ani jojo aja Steve Tenzing ngawan children ani pumo pugu popo momo grandmother mama ama pala acha dige sama they are included in the person dige sama migi michig lata sha yogi ming sis re mara
Re.
you call your mother amla leda.
Yes.
So nga jogi ama la de ya inji to ne mother leda.
Yes.
So that's a name. Nga jogi means tasha michila means tasha yo that's name is included in noun. Misu ine tenzin dawat lundob kesa it's a noun.
That's
No. Okay, lindu line da khare tiwari we.
ma pejna susu chobokilera. Susula mingdon rewa pejna.
Yeah, mingdo to say noun. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, these are the ming that your talkbo is giving to you, right?
Yes.
So these are also included in the noun. Mingji imba chamgi changma noun na chugor. Person na ya mingi chik imba chamgi changma noun la chugor. Understood,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Ani sacha lana place lana sacha laura.
Yes.
And sacha nala khari in its Paris, city, school, home, Asia, space, kitchen. And penesis na kiranzogi sacha yeyun la khari yora. You have your own shopping mall in the yora.
Yes.
Oh, the yegi sacha ming sama they are included in the place. Oh, the sangma noun na chugor. For example, here in India, I have my my hometown, Bailokopi, Kopa, Kushalnagar, Serache, Monastery. It's a place, right? Name of the place, right? Such a Mingra. So they are included in noun. Same goes to yours. Kyan togi saja tila saja shemba mangpo yora. Yore yomara. Kyan yogola saja mangpo pe yora. So all the saja chechung la mata we. Saja yimba samgi, they are included in the noun. What's it?
Yes.
Cancel ya, di love you and name tangbo, nami you love you, love you like it.
Nani the thing at Tamalhatari.
So now lana name tangbo de.
Namge Tamuri, what something ba.
Yes, now name tangbo ngotsam tempa. All these are ngotsam tempa. They are just giving a name to all the things, animal, idea, place, person. This cup is a the cup de la yang so ye ming te shara cup la ni ming te shara. It's given by people me the so ming chik te shara.
This shouldn't want something.
Yeah, it's just ngot on. This cup is ngot something ba. Ngobo shitem go korangera.
Granamini balo do color cheatira. What you can do.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm not going to teach about name here. I'm giving you nouns. Now the ngajogi pige nala na name thangpo da chikpa re lai ra ngot something ba. Yeah. So in the animal also same goes like animal la kura animal ming da manda yore. For example, dog, cat, whale, lion, bee, bull, lizard. Ani bird le ming yore chuna de nye semche re sagal de nye semche re semche yimba cham ki sangma included in the noun. Understood?
Yes.
Semche chichung lama duen by semche yimba cham ki included in noun. Understood, right? Ani chala yimba cham pe na sasna chala khari ne yin sirta thuma thali khari ne book, pencil, apple, flower, disease, shoe, cap, dige sangma they are also included in noun. Understood? So noun lana it's a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Dige samala noun ladies. We don't have to say a noun is a person, man, and girl, Steve, child, grandma, grandpa. You don't have to say all those things. Person now, these all people are included. Misama include chakot person name batamgi ya. Mi lawatamgi tenzing I want to work kirange friend kirange jojo aja sangma churugo dinala. Ra. Place lawatamgi all the places are included in place. So these are all called namin thangbo laura noun laires. Understood? So go to mas. Now so go to mas. Kesa sangbo la go to se. Yeah. Go to se. Okay. Ani drama kyabla? Go to se. Now lana it's so easy. Name thangbo ngo something bares. Now lana. You understood, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Sama yabu janggut. Okay, now look here. They're a bit more specified here. Now is a doctor, boy, uncle, teacher, sister, police officer, girl, firefighter, mom, baby, because they are all
Firefighter
included.
kharagina.
They are all included in the person, right? Firefighter is a man, right? Man in a woman in a karine, they are person. Michira.
Mingen to gari gangi chigre lakpa mina wo.
No. Firefighter is not a fighter. Firefighter lana kandera. Oh.
Ah, wo dinga sing.
Oh. Kyari kyanyi dinde mata, they are help or rescue chinye dinde.
Oh.
You understood, right? So there's a firefighter, baby, mom, girl, police officer, sister, teacher, uncle, doctor, boy. All these are included in person. Migi kundo na chugora. But we gave them a name to each of them. Ajala, sister and firefighter. Kasi metro uchi we roba rokyo chinye na firefighter le pugula baby, amala mom, pumula girl, and we are giving a name to them, right? Common name to them.
Yes.
What's it say? Oh, this time included in a noun, not sugars. A noun is a place. Place kandito. Store, home, playground, bedroom, lake, school, forest. These are also included in the place. Such a gaming not sugar. For example, in your hometown, there are a lot of stores, right? Store pe mang buyore yo mare.
Yori.
Store sangma la su la ming do mindo.
Your.
So you can't specify that this is not noun, this is noun. You can't specify. So all the store that have a name, such as they are included in noun. So noun is everything. Noun the lelo dikya. Samtang ma noun lana zambuli na yo ngumpu thamchi sangma la noun la ores lata. You understood, right? So you don't have to think big. Noun is just simple. You understood?
Yes.
When a noun is a thing or animals.
Yes.
Chala yamana animal relada. Dog, t-shirt, pencil, chicken, pen, shoes. Tiga sama noun is. Okay. Now types of noun. Noun le yewa mangbo yorela. Okay. First type de kalana common noun and proper noun. Common noun, the proper noun that you have to learn first. These the bad comments are should. If you learn these two, that's enough for you. Common noun. Kinzo team ba ma team ba tep kan team ba. Types of noun and tida.
Okay.
And then you don't have to write all the common noun, proper noun, collective noun, compound noun, concrete noun. You don't have to write all those things. You just write types of noun. Low.
Auntie, sir, someone chigore.
Who's asking? Kesan sambula re?
Chigore.
Martina kya nyene jima tutu tongpo yuna kena tina jir gelage dina teams na kurko.
Okay.
Okay? Kya ya Martina tonante tukuduna, you can listen. But there are some students that couldn't able to attend in the class, right? For those, you have to write in the book so that it will stay in your brain.
Yes.
Leva nalia tutu during a dira. Matiwaina levena during a dir. Matiwaina, it will stay for a shorter period of time. Tutu tindichina day and tinne chemba jedur. You understood? Yes, Sangbula. If you want to put it in your brain, permanent you can write and listen. That will be easier for you. Okay? Okay, now, okay. Look, now I'm talking about common noun, okay? Now, common noun means there is a noun that refers to people or thing in general. Common noun lana kandiro lana ming chikte sa yosta penachasna person lawadoina person na it will included in so many people. Person na sutsugora kirampala amla aja jojo uncle auntie sama sugora. Person lawatam gidina lola mi mangbuchi dushada. Person is a common noun. It's a common noun. Some common the common and how we are chitang ne tesha yogi chigyora. Mi mangbuchi di ne chiksha yoshura o di ming state yoshura o de la common noun. Penachasna comment noun lana we didn't specify the person, right? Person they specify chigoma. We don't say that Kesang is in the person, Kesang is in the dash, Doma is there, Trashi is there. We're not saying that, right? Personally, every people are there. Me but some person na chugora. It's a general name. General name. Go to the can't go to that. So go to Maslada. Comment noun this to go to Mas.
Good to so.
Comment noun the color or the didn't talk in the.
Coming now to do a noun that not refer to a particular place or person.
Yes, very good. Comment noun the pay abulas didn't talk like conditions. And so penasasna particular place, that particular person chikal kijishego mara. And so Chitangi Mingte Yoshomara. Chiongi Mingte Yo de la Puchitang de la common noun letters. Penasasna people. People Latitamba, we didn't say that tenzing. We didn't say Domakia, we didn't say tenzing. We are not specifying to the person, right? Midilaya specify chiminda. We are talking about person, so that's a common noun. Pensana car. Car is a common noun. Car like Damanda Yore Yomada. Lamborghini Yore. Ashambahador. Tata Yore. Ashambahador. Tokyo Yore. And car le Damanda Yora. So we are not specifying here. So common noun, they let's specify chima. They didn't tell about the particular thing. Chala digi particular chala digi chedu kijeshego mare. We're talking about the general. Chitang kijeshego. So that car, samba, bridge, lad, sama, it's all common noun. You understood? What's it? Penasasna person nalia you person nala mi mang put sugo de sugo mare. Person dengan zuchi chiyong la ming te sha kyosra. Yingi we. Okay, and the Nangshin comment now is a name used for person, place. Chipachingan saja le place lana saja lagoda. So we are not specifying here that this city, this place, this country. We didn't specify any place, right? Place la du damba sacha. Chitangi ming sacha mi or chala lana chala nalo la khare ine chugidra. What is that?
Good to stay.
Ani ngazugi de sadawa sanima sadaw salakba sapu sapasa sapemba la dige sama they are all in the common now. Ani kirange ke date of birth this sama khare it's a common now. Ani happiness lana khalor. They do raura pegedone. They do the sama it's a common noun. Happiness is a common noun. So happiness nalayang so yang tama do yora. You understood? Course is a common noun. The course is there. Okay, tanga kis tikin da ni course na. Tenzi genye line da common noun de common noun de khale.
Common.
Yes, common noun.
Oh. Sigmas.
There tenzi genye la course minda. Look. Common noun is the name given to general. Refers to people or things in general. Penas chala ineres sacha ineres ngombo khade ine ming general situation minda penas na person lana I'm not specifying any person right dena la person na la specified chi denga tenzi genye la ni lai minda tenzi toga la tenzi ka kesan la ndilan lai minda person la tu tamba mi la or me. Mina, it will include all of you. But we're giving all those names. Instead of all those names, we are giving one name, that person. Mila di mingsi di te do te mindo. Tensi genye la nyingi we? Okay. I think, okay, tensi genye la.
Again,
kiran da tangat kyan tayu da kiran de di recording chiko da kiran yak manye na je la ge gyo sang bula usta ne ya Yang ma che kyo tige pir ta hau ya. Jindane. Tinzirola.
Okay la.
Can you please explain common noun to tenzi genyela?
Common noun is a noun that do not refer to a particular place or
Yes.
person.
Yes, sir.
What's it say?
Me.
So ma say common nouns mean that the kharichi marle na particular person, the particular place, particular toy the gal ke je shi mares common noun they will talk
Proper
about general.
Proper
No,
noun.
don't talk about proper noun. Don't talk about proper noun because let her understand common noun here. Now, common noun lana, we are not talking about particular person. We are not talking about particular person in common noun. We are talking about general.
Yes.
General la person de penashasna tenzi genyela tenzi dogala tenzi pesala digi sama khare na chukor. They are all included in the people. People like you are me.
People or person.
Me ki kundo na chukora person. Me ki kundo na chukor chukomara.
저기요.
Da me ki kundo na chukyo sangma. It's a me like the te the me and people and the take your shomara. It's a general name for everybody, right? What's it say? People lana me sangma lo kogora.
Yes.
We are not talking about tinsi genyela chukongala kishiko mara. People lana nama. It refers to all the people around the world. They are included in the people. Car, how we are, car lana motor. Motor it's just a one name, right? But in the car, there are a lot of cars, different types of car. Car magora mean Ramanda Yora, Penasasta Lamborghini Yore, Tokyo Yore, Tata Yore, Adisha Alto Yore. Ani Odi Yore. There are a lot of cars in here, right? But the car is a common noun for all the car. You understood? And Chibachikan Samba. Samba Lanahagu bridge.
No bridge.
Yes, bridge. Bridge la you have a lot of bridge. Yeah, London Bridge la you there bridge tam under doa.
You're wrong.
On the door. And so we are not specified the name of bridge, but we are giving a common name for that bridge. Bridge sangma la ya common names ti do team in do.
Tiru.
Ani Troy, Timothy, Troy la nakalor.
Try tapsichewa.
Not try. I'm talking about Troy. Troy.
Cry.
Troy. Yes, Timothy.
재밌어요.
Yeah, Timothy Nalaya. Troy la de khare. We're giving a general name for all the Troys. Troys sangma giche donga jo instead. Oh yes, Troys. Yes.
Yes.
Look. Now in the so under the Troys there are a lot of different types of Troys, right? Troys tam under yore yomara.
You're wrong.
But we are giving one name for all the Troys. That Troys start. Chala sangma giche do ming chik te ro de la Troys la ni la go de la omara.
You're
wrong.
So
go money.
Kira dine ming thagara ne ko chu comment la na khare chitang ki ming chi lor chitang mi normal ming chi lor normal ming chi la na chitang ming chi common noun la na chitang ki ming penasas na chitang ki ming su le ne khap ya it won't talk about particular person, it won't talk about particular things, it won't talk about particular place. Ra chitang gi mara. Okay, now common noun and a proper noun. A proper noun is a noun that identifies a particular people. Now khalaso proper noun di khachi laso is the opposite of common noun. Common noun gi khale common noun will give a general name, ra. But proper noun is a noun that identifies a particular people. Now they are talking about particular people. The penasasna person nalo na. I'm talking about tinsi genye la ya. Person nalo ne tinsi genye la langa ke shigi dala niya. I'm taking out from person, right? Am I taking tinsi genye la from person? Yes.
No.
Go to say.
Miss.
Means everybody. Okay, common noun lana. It's a person ra.
Yes, yes.
Person nala. You all are included in person. Even me.
Yes.
We are all a person, right? Even your parents, even your teachers, even your schoolmates. All sangma me sangma person na chukor. So in the person, I'm talking about Tenzi Genye, particular person, Tenzi Genye la. I'm talking about you, Tenzi Genye la.
Yes.
If I'm talking about Tenzi Genye la, I'm taking out you from all the person. Misangma nananye kira chuko mate kira keshe so shamaso. Yes? Keshe sa.
Yes.
So it's a proper noun. Proper noun la na? When the person has a specification yoba na midela specific lagi na, it's a proper noun like this. And chibujika sacha yoba na, if I'm talking about Sydney, if I'm talking about Switzerland from the place, ra sacha dine nyegi Switzerland gi call la shigi na, then that Switzerland will be proper noun chat words. You understood?
Yes.
Under the place, there are a lot of places, right? Place Mabupera, Switzerland, yore, India, yore, South Korea, yore, China, yore, Tibet, yore, such mango yore yomare. And among these places, if I'm talking about Switzerland, then that Switzerland will be a proper noun. Understood?
Yes.
But Miss.
Means such a sangman such a chigi call a shigina, a particular such a chigi call a shigina, then that's such a the proper noun chagor. You understood?
Yes.
That's enough just not that I can't get common noun the coaches there, common noun the common noun goes there. Okay, now then the game you like can get a digital into blood this station get that.
They say get to you in the water, sinking what to do. He can't couple this so as you are the singing.
Oh, it's fine.
It's a little loud sort of lad.
Yeah, then just some line that then just some la. Then just some la. Can you tell then proper noun to then can you explain?
A proper noun is a noun that identifies a particular people, place, or thing.
Yes, and all the picket on the dental blood to shake. Look, it's so easy, dental it's okay, it's okay. Let me explain for you. Dental
Yes.
Look, common noun like such a means da. Such a leda, such a place lana such a laura. Place lana such a lord. People lana me laura. Ani try lana, Anzogi chala this the laura, try laura. Ra. Chipachika things chalala the means six raya. So for example, in the proper noun, kachugolana, manzo place like jura. The common noun, the place, the common noun data. So under the place, there are a lot of place manguper, ra. For example, can get a place manguchi mean that.
Brussels. America.
Yes, Brazil, America, Switzerland, China,
Amsterdam.
Tibet, Amsterdam, place manguper. So from all those places, if I'm talking about Switzerland, can get such a choir, I think like can such a choir.
Belgium. Brussels.
Belgium. Under all those places, place this place Mangupeda. Under place, there are a lot of places, right? Country dam under doa, such a dam under. So if I'm talking about Belgium from all these places, then this Belgium will be a proper noun. Particular chalachi call a shigina, particular place you call a shigina, that's a proper noun.
Okay, so if it specifies something, then it is a proper noun.
Yes.
But then if it's just something in common, like something normal, then it's just a common
noun. Yes.
Okay.
What's that?
Thank you.
Yes, okay, very good, very good. Kisan nang what's that? What's that? Okay, now look, a proper noun is a noun that identifies a particular people, place, or thing. For example, Swiss, India,